What's the point of a mukbang? I feel like it's been
so long
since I've sat down and just had a fucking Jiggs dinner. Hi, birds. As you can tell right now, I'm clearly outside, sitting by myself on my back deck in 5-degree weather, eating Jiggs dinner because why not? It tastes great. Granny made it. Loves her.
Loves her.
One of the best parts for anyone that has lived with their grandmother or has ever visited their grandmother is the Jiggs dinner that you get on the holidays. That was completely unnecessary. I did great. Here's a little close up. Right here we got some pudding, carrots, salt meat, loves that. Some dressing, that's the word, there you go. This right here, my favorite when I was younger. With some dressing on that plate for me. Let me tell you, I'm going back for extra. Is it true that carrots are good for your eyes? People always say carrots are good. Do y'all get chocolate for Easter? I know some people like don't even get chocolate for Easter. It's like at least do something. I swear to fuck, I just hiccuped after watching that clip there. It seemed like a good idea to come out here and eat my supper instead of being at the table interacting with my family because I'm just in the mood to eat in peace and quiet. And I'm now eating with the birds. One with nature. Oh, y'all. It's still sort of fucked up that I'm out here eating a bird on Easter, listening to the birds chirping. You know what? I'm rolling with it. I'm content with what matters. Remember, like, all of your cousins and everything, you all get together during the holidays. It's just like, those are the memories that matter. In those times, you always feel so good. And things like are looking up, and everyone's so carefree. There's laughter. There's stories being told, emotions being felt. At the end of the day, you're so grateful for every bit of the dressing that you fucking get there. It sort of feels like we're on a date right now. What a date this is, though, I'm saying. With anyone it's fucking good.
And here Aunt Bessie talking to herself.
Sometimes I do this thing where I'm rushing, where I'm eating, and I'm like, no, you need to relax. You need to breathe so you don't. This is going to be so weird to edit. Yeah, I'm speechless.
Is this a mukbang? Is this a Jiggs dinner mukbang that I'm doing right now? Because like, I'm only eating right now and I'm barely talking.
Sometimes we all get so caught up. I mean, I do personally, in the way social media like portrays things to be, and we consume everything, and then we set such high expectations for ourselves. And it's actually like,
None of this was necessary.
yes, it's good to be inspired by others. It's good to live through an experience of others every now and then. However, it's much better to be connected from your roots and to at the same time implement and add in your own sort of creativity and inspiration and your own way of living your life. I personally notice myself struggling every now and then with the food I'm consuming. I'm like, this isn't vegetarian, this isn't vegan, this isn't healthy. Like, I need to be eating as healthy as I can. And it putting so much pressure onto yourself, it's just adding more of the restriction and like getting in the way more of actually eating what you enjoy and like then taking care of yourself from there.
Cheers.
I was born down by the water, and it's here I'm gonna stay. I search for all the reasons why I should go away.